Hi everyone! This week's video will be a simple, chill swatching video of my Frankenstein'd Sennelier Petite palette. I got this palette over a year ago during Black Friday sales, I believe. I think we could all agree that palettes with brand logos like this one just look so cool. And this one has the logo molded as part of the palette. Not sure if molded is the right word, but I just love the way it looks. It's also extremely lightweight, and overall, just a unique palette any brand has come out with. I already had some Sennelier artist grade watercolors that I wanted to add in here, and also wanted to try some Jackson's artist grade watercolors, so I got a selection of those as well. Anyway, I'm trying to edit as many videos as I can, while I can, so today is a simple one. The rest of the video will be the swatches and some music. I'll put up some information about my color choice reasonings as well. Alright, I think that's all I have to say for today. Please stay tuned for an art haul video next week. There will be a few items I'm sure many of you have never seen before. As always, thank you so much for watching everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.